Hello and welcome to Lesson 2 in the module Practicing Sightseeing. Let me give you a little advice before we start our lesson. Don't ever spell the word part backwards because it's a trap. All right, let's pick up where we left off yesterday. There are two keys that you need to remember that you need to have memorized. One is the key of C with no sharps or flats. The other one is one flat. This happens to be a B flat, but that's not the key. You have to memorize this one. When there's one flat, it's a B flat. It's the key of, do you remember? F. It's the key of F major. So we're going to look at our time signature, 4 beats per measure. Quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's take a quick look at our rhythms. We got some eighth notes followed by a half, eighth notes followed by a half. Pretty simple rhythm. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Let's practice it together. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You may hear me say this a lot of times. You need to be doing it. Don't just watch me. It'll make you a better musician. Let's try it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Good. Now let's look at our scale degree numbers. We're in the key of F. So F is number 1. Just remember, F-A-C-E. Going to take my face into space. That space is an F, so that's 1. Going up to the very next line, that's 2. The very next space, that's 3. Very next line is 4. 5. We didn't skip anything. Space, line, space, line, space. We're going to repeat that 5. Don't be fooled by thinking we couldn't repeat. Notes repeat all the time in music. So we're going to repeat that 5, come straight back down, not skipping anything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's pretty simple. Let's do it. There's an F, it's 1. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. See, sightseeing is not that hard. Let's look at the next one. We're still in the key of F. 1 flat's key of F. You'll have that memorized if you don't already by the time this video is over, hopefully. It's key of F. 4 beats per measure. Quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's look at our rhythms. We got 4 eighth notes followed by a quarter and a quarter rest. 4 eighth notes, quarter, quarter. So let's clap those rhythms. We're going to 1 and 2 and 3. We'll separate our hands on 4 because we're resting. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Try it with me. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Notice this time we did not separate our hands because we're actually playing right there. So those are the rhythms. Let's look at our scale degree numbers. We're going to start on F. What's the tonic note? What's the 1 note? Number 1 in the key of F, scale degree wise, is the F is number 1. Right. So 1, going up to the next line is 2. The space is 3. Then we're going back down. You can see the picture of how this goes up and how it goes down. It's just like the pitches go up, pitches go down, numbers go up, numbers go down. It's really sort of a diagram right here of that. So 1, 2, 3, back to 2, then 1, and a rest. 1, 2, 3, 2, and then we're going to skip all the way up to the 5. Since the spaces happen to be odd numbers right here, you see that space is a 1, that's a 3, that's going to be an odd number. 5. You keep that in mind. It really helps when you're getting those numbers. And back to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 1. Let's try it. Take it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 1. Good job. Let's try it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 1. Good. Let's do our third one. We're still at the key of F. 4 beats per measure. Quarter note gets 1 beat. We've got a quarter, quarter rest, quarter, quarter rest. Pretty simple. We've got 2/8 followed by a quarter, 2/8 followed by a quarter. Let's clap these rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Beautiful. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. Let's try look at our scale degree numbers. Again, we're starting on an F, so that's number 1. That's 1. We're going to rest here. We're going to skip up to the next space. We're skipping this line right here, which would be 2. So if we're skipping 2, we're going to go to 3, counting by odd numbers. We have a rest. Then we're going to skip up here to this space, an odd number again, 5, down to the next note, 4, 3. Then we're going to repeat the 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's try it. Here we go. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to just snap the beat this time. I clap the rhythm. The rhythm is what the actual notes, the variation. The beat is just steady. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to snap that. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. I want to do that one more time with you. Make sure you're trying it at home. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now this last one, you're going to tell me what the scale degree numbers are and what the rhythm numbers are in your quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.